Hey, you know what Zeke said earlier? He wasn't thinking. Don't sweat it, man. I'm not.
Did you know that the word sweat has different meanings depending on the context? If you want to learn what they are, come with me because that's what I'm teaching you today. The most common use for the word sweat in the medical setting is the moisture that is secreted by pores during heat or during vigorous exercise. It can also be a verb, to sweat. But what if a patient tells you, oh, don't sweat it? What does that mean?
Sorry, Kenzie and Tyler couldn't make it to dinner.
Oh, don't sweat it. They're teenagering.
It means don't worry about it, so don't sweat it. If the patient were to tell you, I sweat like a pig, what would that mean?
I need Gatorade and Alka-Seltzer and aspirin. I'm sweating like a pig.
All right. Hey there, girlie. How you doing?
Sweating like a pig, actually, and yourself?
Now, there's a way to get a guy's attention, huh?
It means that the patient is sweating a lot. Let's see a few examples on how to use these words. After running a marathon, I was covered in sweat. Do you need that report by tomorrow? No sweat. I'll have it in by tomorrow morning.
I had a fever all night and I was sweating like a pig and I woke up and I was drenched.
He was so anxious that he was going to fail the exam that he started to sweat. I hope you liked today's lesson. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to improve your medical English even more, check out my website for more opportunities to improve your English skills. See ya.